Hey everyone, what's up? Yeah, just wondering how the hell you get injured in a car accident, because yeah, I've been in like serious bad car accidents, being that I'm a race car driver and I used to street race, so I'm wondering how the hell that happens. I've crashed into a pole, hit a light pole, telephone pole, both of them, going 150 kilometers an hour. Street racing in the rain, of course, who cares? It's a lot of fun. You're gonna crash, or something's gonna happen, but I crashed, and it was a bad accident. I hit at 150 because I didn't slow down. Just curious, because I didn't get one injury whatsoever. No whiplash. Not even whiplash. Didn't have airbags because it was a 1980 Trans Am with a 4-baler in it, but it was 5-liter V8. A 301 actually wasn't a great motor, but hell, still had some power. Had a 4-barrel. So how the hell you get injured? I still don't know. How do you die? Well, I guess you wouldn't know because you wouldn't be alive, but how do you get a serious injury? Because I still have yet to find out. I crashed my race car many times too. It's like nothing. I don't get because we have proper protection with helmets and belts and everything. But who cares? Like so there's something mentally wrong with the majority of people, because you're the ones who get in an accident and you don't survive, or you have serious injuries. So everyone has mental illness except me, I guess. I'm not sure what's going on. You're mentally ill. Please, let me know in the comments, how the hell did you get injured? Because, in my street car, I was a Pontiac Trans Am 1980. Look that up. I mean, it's a safe car, right? And also I got a BMW X5M. No, not a BMW X5, like a loser drives an X5M, because it's a 600 horsepower, right? So, again, please tell me, how do you get injured? Everyone is mentally ill except for me, so still don't really get it, because don't know why people drive Honda Civics or whatever cars. I'm assuming that's how you got injured or died. But yeah, tell me, let me know in the comments, because I'm confused. I mean, I'm a software engineer as well, so I'm highly intelligent. Not to brag, but that's what you have to do that's your job, right? I'm not like a pea-brain moron like the average person, so I guess that's something to do with it. So again, tell me. I'm still totally confused, because I've never been injured whatsoever. I drive like a bat out of hell. Like, I don't make mistakes when I'm driving though. Like, I've been racing for a while, so I did karting. I'm a karting champion. I raced against F1 drivers and Formula Pro Mazda and lots of different open wheel categories, and now I'm doing GT racing. So yeah, I'm still baffled. So please let me know. Thanks. Bye. Peace.